In 2016, Wolverine Airsoft launched the Gen 2 Inferno. With its revolutionary hybrid technology featuring an independent nozzle and poppet driven by a single solenoid, it bridged the gap between open and closed bolt technology and earned its reputation as the most reliable, consistent performance HPA engine on the market. After almost 10 years, with thousands of engines and guns built, we decided to take everything that we've learned and raise the bar once again. The INFERNO XTS is built on the same bulletproof, direct solenoid-fired system with our patented independent nozzle and poppet technology from the Gen 2 Inferno. But at each stage of the firing cycle, the system has been refined and optimized. XTS stands for Extended Stroke, which is one of the core system updates, and it works by enhancing the separation between the loading and the firing actions. That means better hop-up sealing, smoother feeding, and ultimately tighter, more consistent groupings. We've made a host of other small improvements throughout the engine, from optimizing flow to improve efficiency, to moving to a one-piece Delrin baffle that maintains our patented two-stage firing sequence, to simple quality-of-life improvements, like removing the O-ring that users most often misplace when servicing their engine. And perhaps one of the coolest new features is the addition of the new recoil output, which allows you to add recoil to any MTW spec platform by using the XTS in conjunction with our Quake MTW system. The INFERNO XTS, building on the legacy of the Gen 2, gives you refined control, consistent performance, and once again, pushes the limits of HPA.